Hey guys, I'm working on decorating my coffee table for the summer, and I discovered this photo of Khloe Kardashian's coffee table with the moss centerpiece. I love this. It looks like something from Restoration Hardware. It probably was, but I want to make something similar and show you guys the steps that I took just in case you wanted to make one yourself. So let's go right into it. I went to the at-home store and found this large wooden bowl. I thought it was the perfect size for the coffee table. You can pretty much use any size bowl you want for this project. First, I added 3 bags of Spanish moss inside the bowl. Once I added moss inside, I stretched it out so that it will fill up the bowl and give it some height. Next, I took 2 packs of sheet moss and covered the Spanish moss. The sheet moss does break apart, so be careful. I purchased the Spanish moss from Dollar Tree and the sheet moss from Walmart, but you can find these items online or in a craft store near you. Once I finish, I press down on the moss to pack it in some. Next, I took a pack of moss-covered stones and placed them randomly inside the bowl. Afterwards, I used another sheet of moss to cover the rocks. The rocks help build the mounds. I'm sure there are other ways to accomplish this, but this is a project that I did on the fly, so there's room for improvement. Once I was done, I made sure the rocks were covered. Here's how it turned out. This project took me 15 minutes to complete. Very easy to do. Now, what else should I add to my coffee table? Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.